Hi students, next example, next conversion is that is when ethane react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight to give A compound, when A compound react with AgCN to give B compound, when B compound react with lithium aluminum hydride to give C compound, and same thing B compound again react with sodium borohydride, what is C dash. Write the what is the final production, that is write the final products. So here students, first step in this first step is ethane react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight to give ethyl chloride, that is CH3CH2Cl. In this first step is that is halogenation. Here chlorine one hydrogen replaced by one chlorine in the presence of sunlight. It is belongs to free radical substitution mechanism. In this step is free radical substitution mechanism. So here first step is the conversion ethane to A compound in the presence of chlorine to give ethyl chloride. This is ethyl chloride is A compound. In this first step is free radical substitution mechanism to form A compound, that is ethyl chloride. When A compound react with next step what to do student, that is AgCN. What is the role of when A compound react with AgCN student, generally this AgCN silver cyanide, in between silver cyanide strong covalent bond is present. Generally KCN strong ionic bond is present in between K plus and Cn minus, but in AgCN strong covalent bond is present due to the that is pseudo noble gas configuration. That silver Ag is the Ag plus, that is pseudo noble gas configuration. So according to that is Fossen's rule, we know student. So here in this step that is nucleophilic substitution reaction study, here chlorine is replaced by cyano group. This chlorine is replaced by cyano group. So here attacking occurs only nitrogen side, we get that is product is CH3 CH2NC, reverse isocyanide is formed. NC. If in case KCN, if you should take the KCN, that is cyano group is formed. But if why, because of this potassium cyanide is strong ionic bond is present, but in AgCN strong covalent bond is present. So here attacking occur only in nitrogen atom side, nitrogen side, we get that is isocyanide is function. This B compound, this is B compound student, this B compound react with again lithium aluminum hydride. What is the role of lithium aluminum hydride? It is a strong reducer, it is a strong reducing agent. So generally we know student, already we discussed in the previous video, when alkyl cyanide react with lithium aluminum hydride to give primary amines or CH2NH2. If in case if you take the isocyanide RNC, alkyl isocyanide react with lithium aluminum hydride to give secondary amines or NHCH3 to give secondary amines. This is the simple trick student. If you take, if in case one alkyl cyanide is there, alkyl cyanide reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to give primary amines, and alkyl isocyanide reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to give secondary amines. We know say what is the production here. In this next step, what to do student, that is ethyl isocyanide is formed, we get that product is CH3CH2. This CH3CH2 does not change, this N is converted into NH, C is converted into CH3, this is the final production. This is the secondary amines are formed, this is very most important student. When propane, this is A compound, when propane react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight to give A compound is ethyl chloride. When ethyl chloride react with AgCN to give B compound react with lithium aluminum hydride to give C compound, that C compound is secondary amines. And one more thing student, this B compound again again react with sodium borohydride NaBH4. This ethyl isocyanide react with sodium borohydride. This sodium borohydride also act as reducing agent, but it is weak reducer. Then it is weak reducer compared to as lithium aluminum hydride. It is weak reducer. So this sodium borohydride cannot reduce that is isocyanide group. It is very most important student. Isocyanide reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to give secondary amines, but same isocyanide cannot reduction with sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride is a weak reducing agent, so that's why sodium borohydride cannot reduce isocyanide group. So that's why it is no reaction, that is same product will be formed, that is CH3 CH2 and then NC, same product will be formed. There is no further production, there is same product will be formed, that is isocyanide group cannot reductive with sodium borohydride. This is a simple trick, student. This is a simple trick, student. If in case, student, ethyl chloride react with KCN, ethyl chloride react with KCN, what is the production? That is in between KCN, K plus plus and Cn minus, strong ionic bond is present. So that's why this direct attacking, the Cn minus is directly attacking CH3 CH2 Cn, ethyl cyanide is formed. This ethyl cyanide again, ethyl cyanide is formed. This ethyls, this is K plus and Cn minus. Here also same thing, nucleophile substitution reaction. Cl is replaced by Cn, that is ethyl cyanide. When ethyl cyanide react with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen, it is strong reducer. So that's why lithium aluminum hydride can reduce cyanide. This cyanide is converted into primary amines. So what I said, student, that is lithium aluminum hydride can reduce Cn group. This CH3 CH2 does not change, same thing. This carbon is converted into CH2, N is converted into NH2. Simple, remember, student, this is the cyano group reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to give CH2 NH2. Remaining part backside part same thing. So cyanoid group reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to give primary amines. Cyanide group reduction with sodium borohydride to give secondary amines. But isocyanide group reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to give secondary amines. But isocyanide group reduction with sodium borohydride, what happens in that is no reaction. Isocyanide cannot reduce with sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride is a weak reducer, so that's why it cannot reduce isocyanide group. This is a simple trick. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching, student. If you like my video, please click on like. Please don't forget, please click on like. Thank you.